Hello friends, today we are going to learn chemical effects of electric current. Electrical conductivity of solids. Some solids are good conductors of electricity. Example, copper, steel, iron, aluminium, etc. Some solids are poor conductors of electricity. Example, wood, plastic, rubber, glass, etc. Electrical conductivity of liquids. Some liquids are good conductors of electricity. Example, tap water, salt solution, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, etc. Some liquids are poor conductors of electricity. Example, distilled water, sugar solution, kerosene, spirit, etc. Chemical effects of electric current. When electric current passes through a conducting solution, it causes chemical reactions. This is called chemical effect of electric current. Chemical effects of electric current may cause formation of gas bubbles at the electrodes, deposit of metal on the electrode, change in color of the solution. Electrolysis of water. When electric current is passed through water, it splits up into hydrogen and oxygen. This is called electrolysis of water. When electric current is passed through water, oxygen gas bubbles are produced at the electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and hydrogen gas bubbles are produced at the electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Electroplating. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. Example, for electroplating of copper on an object, the object is dipped in acidified copper sulfate solution and connected to the negative terminal of a battery. A copper strip is dipped in the solution and connected to the positive terminal of the battery. When electric current is passed through the solution, copper from the copper strip is deposited on the object. Uses of electroplating. Electroplating is used in industries for coating metal objects with a thin layer of a desired metal. Chromium has a shiny appearance and it does not corrode. Chromium plating is done on objects like bicycle parts, car parts, taps, gas burners, wheel rims, etc. Jewelry makers electroplate gold and silver or less expensive metals to give a appearance of gold or silver. Tin cans used for storing food are electroplated with tin over iron because tin is less reactive than iron and protects iron from corrosion. Iron objects are coated with zinc to protect it from corrosion.